For me, folder structure and organisation is a really important part of post-process, so set yourself a rule and stick to it, but by all means let it evolve, just make sure you're consistent with what you do. I always start off with a main folder for each project. This houses my Premiere file, media, graphics, soundtracks, sound effects, and a folder for my exports. This way I can archive a project knowing that all of my media is safely in one place, and if I need to revive that project, I won't have to hunt down any assets. Yes, this does mean that I might have multiples of the same music track or sound effects in my storage, but assets like these are so small they make very little difference on my drives. Much like the Premiere master file, I create a project master folder template which houses my Premiere master folder. When you dig down my folder structure, I then have my individual projects folder. These are labelled with the year, month, then date that the shoot took place, then what the project is. This keeps my projects in the correct order, so I know what my most recent shoot is. Another option is to give your project an ascending numerical or project code, which can go in the file name before the project name. So that's how I set up my folders and folder structure. Set up something similar and consistent for yourself and it'll make your life a lot easier. For more Premiere tips, make sure you check out the rest of the series with Wex Photo Video.